With an aggressive design and sporty looks, the SkyQuad is the next step in the small but elite segment of radical lightweight aviation. On the road, thanks to a turbocharged engine, it can go as fast as 115 miles per hour, but while in the paraglider mode, the top speed is limited to 55 miles per hour. At the moment, this vehicle is designed to carry just one person, but the creators are working on a two-seater model, which will be adapted to performing various tasks, from search and rescue operations to extreme sports and sightseeing. Terrafugia TF-X is the newest idea of the future of personal transportation. This plug-in hybrid tilt-rotor vehicle is expected to become the first fully autonomous flying car, which also has vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, provided there is a landing spot 100 feet in diameter. This vehicle will use unleaded automotive gasoline and will be capable of doing 200 miles per hour. For flying, it will use electric motor pods and airplane batteries that will be partially recharged by the engine. So the flying range is expected to be about 500 miles. In 2014, a Slovakian company presented the result of over 20 years of precise engineering. A road-legal vehicle that can be converted from an automobile to an aircraft. AeroMobil 3.0 is equipped with basic avionics equipment, autopilot, and an advanced parachute deployment system. The machine uses regular gasoline, does 29.4 miles per gallon as a car, and can easily fit into a standard parking space. But whenever you need to travel by air, just find a several hundred feet long paved surface or a grass strip to soar into the sky and enjoy the speed of over 120 miles per hour. After years of testing, the engineers at AeroMobil are planning to deliver first flying cars to their clients by 2017. In 2016, Flyboard Air was used to set a new Guinness World Record for the furthest hoverboard flight. With the help of 250 horsepower turbo engine, the compact device creates enough lift to take a person up to 10,000 feet in the air, while doing up to 90 miles per hour. Flyboard is still in prototype mode and can only last for up to 10 minutes on a single fuel tank, which is by the way located on the operator's back. But performance can make many people wonder when and where they can get one of these. The creators of Icon A5 combined the latest aviation technologies and the revolutionary industrial design in order to make a lightweight amphibious aircraft, which is especially easy to operate. This two-passenger aircraft is made of carbon fiber, which is positively reflected on the overall weight of just 180 pounds. The aircraft is equipped with a robust 100 horsepower Rotax 912 engine, capable of propelling it to speeds up to 109 miles per hour and covering the distance of 345 miles on a single fuel tank. Icon A5 comes with a cabin similar to that of an expensive sports car and such important features as a towing system, retractable landing gear, powerful landing lights, GPS navigation, radio, and a parachute that can be deployed in case of the engine failure. JOBY S2 is a two-seat fixed-wing aircraft that provides a quiet and reliable means of airborne transport. The aircraft, which looks like a combination of a helicopter and an electric airplane, is equipped with 12 engines with movable propellers that enable it to take off and land vertically. These engines should be powerful enough to let JOBY S2 reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour and go over 190 miles on a single charge. This environmentally friendly personal airplane requires 5 times less energy than conventional auto transportation at 5 times the door-to-door speed. Having combined the features of a car and a helicopter, PAL V1 provides a great opportunity to enjoy the best of both. This 3-wheeled vehicle seats 2 comfortably and reaches speeds up to 112 miles per hour, both on the highway and in the sky. Additionally, it has a special wheel tilt system that makes cornering on the roads much easier. At such speeds, the gasoline engine will go through a full tank in 310 miles when you fly or 750 miles when you drive. The machine usually flies below 4,000 feet, so there shouldn't be interference from commercial air traffic. EHang 184 is a safe and eco-friendly autonomous aerial vehicle with 8 electric motors, which are sufficient for carrying about 220 pounds. This giant quadcopter can take off and land vertically, fly for about 20 minutes with an average cruising speed of 60 miles per hour, and cover the distance of about 10 miles. The passenger cabin is made of composite materials and carbon fiber, while the frame and load-bearing elements are made with aluminum-based alloys. Inside you will find an air conditioning system, 4G connectivity, and a multimedia device and a small luggage compartment for personal belongings. Volocopter VC200 combines the joy of flying with the highest levels of safety. This aircraft is brought up in the air with 18 motors and can be operated with a pilot or completely autonomously. The pilot merely has to command direction via a joystick, and the 2-seater, ultralight aircraft glides into the desired position. The setup of Volocopter VC200 enables it to take off with almost a 1,000 pounds on board and reach the heights of about 6,500 feet. Current tests show that the current batteries will last for about 20-30 minutes. Martin Aircraft Company have created a jetpack that weighs 400 pounds and can be efficient at speeds over 34 miles per hour. The power of the fans will be generated by a 200 horsepower 2-liter engine, and the 245 Nm of torque should be enough to bring this aircraft up to 5,000 feet in the air. Its advanced safety features, including a ballistic parachute that can open as low as 20 feet above the ground, ensure that you're able to enjoy the flight with the knowledge that the jetpack has your safety covered.